Recently, in a time of corporate prayer, I was asking the Lord for something to share with His people. And I said, God, I want to pray for something. I want to make some declarations and some decrees over your people. And this is what I felt the Lord spoke to me. This is so powerful, and I hope this encourages you today. The Lord spoke this. The Lord said, tell my people they will no longer be derailed, they will no longer be delayed, and they will no longer be dehydrated. Now let's look at all three of those. The first one is derailed. Whenever a train is on a track and ever it gets derailed, a lot of times it is hard for the train to get back on track. And even more than that, whenever a train gets off of the track, it brings total devastation to everything that it is around. And I want you to think about this. Whenever a person is off track in their life, they will bring devastation to every person that they're around. See, a lot of times we don't think like that, or we don't even talk about these type of matters. What we like to say is, oh, God has given us free will. You know, God's also given you a prophetic word, and you need to be on track with what the prophetic word is over your life, because just like the news, when you watch it, whenever you hear about a train derailing, it gets off and it would just bring total devastation to everything around it. The next one is delayed. There are so many people that are delayed in their promise, delayed in their business, delayed in restoration in health or marriage or finances or whatever it may be. And I felt the Lord say to tell people that He is sending in intercessors to make delays done away with. Declarations to end delays. And the third one, I really like this one, dehydration. Your season of dehydration is over. You know, when you read the Word, you are hydrating yourself. When you pray in the Spirit, you're hydrating yourself. Whenever you receive a prophetic word from somebody, that is bringing hydration to yourself. And so many times, through isolation or us feeling lonely or forsaking the assembly of the people, we pull away from people. Therefore, we have nothing flowing into us. Of course, we'll have nothing positive flowing out of us. But too many people have been in a season of dehydration. And I felt the Lord wanted me to speak so plainly to you today, to let you know. And I hope this serves as an encouragement to you. Dehydration is over. Delay is over. And if you've been derailed in your life, you're about to get right back on track to where God has you to be. I hope this word encouraged you. I hope this word helped you. And if you want any more information about anything that my wife and I do, you can go to jojodawson.net. You can find so many resources on there. Our blogs, more videos. You can find out where you can sow, how to partner with us, and also we have other resources that we can connect with you with. I hope this helped and encouraged you.